Okay guys, this is why you always want to make sure your cargo doors on your RV are always closed. I actually damaged this one. This is the main rear door. The door was open like this, and I backed up and it got stuck in between the fence post, and then I pulled forward and it like damaged the whole frame. So I had to order a new door, and I'm basically going to install that. So I just took out the screws from around the side here, and I'm going to screw the new one on. Looks like the only sealant that was used was just this lap sealant, just around the perimeter of it. I thought maybe I'd use a butyl tape underneath it, but it doesn't look like it does. So I'm going to test fit the old one on there, get it installed on. Alright guys, just finishing up the installation of this RV door. So obviously you need the new door. It came with this frame, so that was the main damage, is this frame got ripped out. So there's just a few screws. You just put a few screws. They're just self-tapping screws that came with it. One there, a couple up here at the top. And then you want to use this lap sealant. This is non-leveling, so no sag, meaning this is for vertical surfaces like this, where it won't run. I still need to clean up a little around here, but got it all in. So just be aware, guys, just be careful that when you're backing up RV or moving your RV that all of your doors are closed, because this was an expensive, this door cost me almost $450 to replace this thing. Anyways, well, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel.